Hello guys, today we're doing some unboxing and some presents that we got yesterday, and hopefully it'll be something good.
So should I put the first one?
Yes.
Okay. One is in this bag and no one knows what it's gonna be. No one knows what it's gonna be. Take one out. What is it?
So here we got an
Arsenal shirt.
Arsenal shirt.
Yeah. Yeah, put it that side, yeah.
And we got a
Liverpool
shorts.
Yeah. What's that?
A Slazenger shirt.
Let me see it.
A red Slazenger shirt.
Let me see it. So you guys, this Lanzenga shirt is like so good. It's comfy as well. You can wear it in summer. As you see the leopard over there. So yeah. What else do you have?
We have another Slazenger
Top, like vest top.
It's a bit like a vest, but it's a Slazenger and it looks a bit like top. It's not very like small and agile like a top.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, put it on the other side.
So,
is there more in anything inside?
No.
Okay.
So it's time for
my turn. It's my turn now, and I don't even know what I'm gonna get. Maybe the same thing or anything like that. No, you go on the other side. Go on the other side.
put this in. What else do we have? Oh yeah, my own stuff. Let me see what I got. Couple. Take it properly and take it off the cruise. So let me see. I got this same shirt, this Valentino, and it's so soft. Yeah. This part's spaced out as well. I like that one. Yeah, let me see what else I got. Got Chelsea shorts. These are good and I support Chelsea, so I can wear it. I can wear it to any football clubs and things like that. I got this Chelsea shirt, but it doesn't say any name at the back, but it says Chelsea FC. Yeah. And as you see different line thing. There's some stickers something. Comment down below if you want something like this. Go to Sports Direct and get it.
Sports Direct is the best place to go.
I got this shirt,
to get
the
some
same shirt what my brother had. Yes, so soft and that. Let me guess what I have. Do I have a jumper?
I think so.
I got this shorts as well. Swimming shorts, and yeah, I can wear it to a water park or anything like that. I have nothing else. So, yeah. Wait.
What about the rest?
Is there more?
Yep.
Okay.
My turn.
Don't turn them off. Okay.
No, I'm gonna look. You aren't gonna look. Okay, good. So you guys, let me see what you got. He got this.
Don't take it out. Don't take it out.
I
want
want
to see
okay.
it.
You guys, it's gonna be a surprise for him.
It's a bit light. Oh, sick.
Let me see that football. big as well, isn't it?
Well, let me see what size is it. It's size 5.
Yeah, size 5. Yeah, put it inside the bag.
So just wait there. And it'll be
Don't show me it. Take. Yeah, don't show me it. Look at it and then don't show it. Let me take it. Tina, go sit down on the chair. I don't want to see it.
Might have the same thing, but I don't even know what it is.
Let's check what he got. Ooh.
Don't even know what colour it's gonna be. Is it the Premier League?
It's for you to find out.
It's a ball.
Yes.
Yes! Got this ball. And it's really hard. Really good. Yeah, stuff like that. Yeah, and it's really heavy and something like that. Yeah. So you guys turn in, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe and give me a comment and tell me what else I should do for my 4th video.
And guys, you could also comment down below if you wanted us to do some pranks.
And some scary stuff.
Yeah, we could take 3 AM stuff.
So goodbye.
See ya.